Amanda Sobral, and today I'm going to solve the quiz number 1 from week 3. So the quiz shows a faucet with, it has a diameter of 0.96 centimeters, and it forms this chorro, which I don't know how to say in English. So the problem asks us to know what is the diameter of the chorro after it has fallen 13 centimeters. So it gives us the information to calculate the rate, as I wrote here, which is that it fills 125 cubic centimeters flask in 16.3 seconds. So this gives us a flow rate of 7.67 cubic centimeters per second. So this is the flow rate, and from this we can calculate this velocity, which is velocity 1. As we know, the flow rate equals area times velocity, so the velocity should equal the rate divided by the area, number 1. So after making this calculation, we obtain that it is 0.106 meters per second. So this is velocity 1. And then we can use Bernoulli's equation in order to calculate this. As we know, the pressure in both points will be the same, so we can only use the rest of the equation, and we do not need to take density into consideration because it is the same fluid and density is throughout the whole equation. So we end up with something like this. So what we want to know from this is the velocity number 2, which should be equal to the square root of 2 times the velocity 1 to the square divided by 2 plus g by 1, because as we know, this value will be equal to 0, and well, this value ends up being equal to 160 centimeters per second. So throughout these calculations, we have to perform certain changes for the units. We go here from centimeters to meters and then back to centimeters at the end. So it is important to take this into consideration. So once we have this value for the velocity 2, what we have left is to use this rate flow to calculate the area in this zone, and later on calculate the diameter of the chorrito in that part. So we know that the velocity 2 should equal 160 centimeters per second. So as we know, the rate equals area 2 times velocity 2, as I explained before. So the area 2 should equal 7.67 divided by 160. And this equals 0.0497 square centimeters. So 479, I'm sorry. So we know the formula for the area of a circle. We're assuming that the chorro is falling like a circle all the time. So it's pi times the radius to the square. So we know that we can take out the radius, and this should be equal to the square root of the area divided by pi, which should equal 0.1235. And as we know, the diameter is the double of this. So I'm going to write over here, the diameter should be equal to 0.247 centimeters. And well, that's our final answer. That's what the problem is asking for. And that's all. And as I promised, here I have my new friend. But she is a baby, so she cannot be in the video. And that's all. Thank you.